So Noah, where are we?
We're at Lowe's
Why exactly are we at Lowe's?
because our garage door fell apart.
Oh, it just fell apart?
Oh yeah, it fell down
It just fell down.
because certain people were playing with
Certain people were playing with it. I didn't get the whole story. Was somebody hanging off of it?
it. Yeah, a couple people were.
I think Jack and Beck were hanging off of it,
Yeah.
and Noah may have been involved, running it up and down.
Yeah, that was probably part of it.
Ah, yeah, the whole thing completely fell apart. And I was very angry. But now we're here to get some new hinges and try to revive it. Okay, so we made it back. We're gonna replace these trashed out hinges with these. Our door looks pretty good now. It was hanging all cattywampus from up there. But, let's see, I got a new hinge to put on here. That's kind of messed up there. I bent this whole thing back in because it was out really far. Looks like some of our wheels fell out. And the cable came off. So I temporarily just screwed it in right there. And then we bought some steel bars so we can release the tension on that and then retension them. Same problem happened over here. So I have that cable just off to the side. I got a new hinge to put on here and one right there. Don't touch anything. Nobody move a muscle. That's around with that. And this part got eaten up. Okay, I'm gonna let it down with some cautious optimism. Got that get a little right.
Just seems a little less.
Yeah, it is less smooth. There's some chunky spots.
Only took us 2 hours to fix that.
It's been 2 hours since we got back.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that took 2 hours. Plus all the time before this.
What's that smell?